Hello, my name is Luana Okino Sawada. I will be walking you through the maintenance of my expert advisor, Martingale VI Hybrid. Before beginning, I would like to present my mentor and product owner, Professor Masoud Sadjadi. So let's start. So if you're on Jira or Confluence page, you can simply click here and then we can go to Bitbucket and then we go to the repository, EFRT-4X data folder. And here we can choose our branch, Martingale Hybrid. This is how the folder is organized. So if we go to MQL4 experts, and then if we go to downloads folder, this is the original code. So this code is a code from the web page of the MQL4. As I mentioned on the previous video, if we click here, we can see the source code. But let's go back. If we go back to experts, we have the effort folder, and inside of that we have the Martingale Hybrid folder. And this is the code that I made it changes. I put more comments, explain the code, and we can see that it's a little bit more organized than before. So I'm gonna just show the commits. Here is the commits, and then we can see all the other branches, and we have the pull request and the forks here at the end. Okay, I'm gonna cover that after. So if we go to source, we can basically, let's clone this, clone in sourcetree. Sourcetree will open and it's gonna show you a new tab with the clone information. You should be able to browse and choose the folder where you want to be cloning this project. So in my case, I chose the repo in the desktop, and after that you're just gonna hit clone. Now our source tree is connected to the Bitbucket server. So here we can see all the branches. So let's look for our EA branch, Martingale Hybrid, and then we're gonna right click on it and we're gonna click checkout, and then we're gonna do OK. Now we can see that we created here the branch, and this is the master, right? Now we have our repository clone or our local machine. So if we go to the desktop repo folder, we can get here on MQL4, and as I mentioned, experts, and let's change something that I was working on. So Martingale Hybrid, and then let's open this on the meta editor. So now that we're in meta editor, let's make a little change so we can commit and see how we can proceed on the source tree and on Bitbucket. So let me write something here so we have something to commit. Okay, and let's save it. Now if we go back to the source tree, the source tree will be refreshed, and then it's gonna show us the uncommitted changes here. Then here on the unstaged file, we're gonna select this one and we're gonna stage it. We need to stage it before we do the commit. After that, we come to commit, and then we're gonna type a message that makes it easier for us to identify what we're committing, and then we're just gonna hit commit. Since we made the commit, now we have to send the changes to the server. So we're gonna go here on push, and then we're just gonna push. Going back to the web page now, here on Bitbucket, we can check our commit, and here it is, the commit that we just made it. After doing the commit, we need to go and create a pull request. So come to pull request, create pull request, and here we're gonna have to select our branch, right, Martingale, and here we're gonna select development. That's where we're supposed to send him the pull request. So under development, and then we're gonna click on continue. It's gonna automatically create and put some description here for us, and then as a reviewer we need to add the professor, and after that we're just gonna create it. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Please feel free to email me to send feedbacks, or if you have any other questions about this video, at lokin001@fiu.edu. If you have any other questions about the project, you can also contact my mentor and project owner at sadjadi@cs.fiu.edu. Thank you for watching this video.